जी जी, रिकॉर्डिंग अब स्टार्ट किया है मैंने।
लेकिन इसको जब रिलीज करेंगे पब्लिक में तो मैं एक बार मोदी जी से और अमला जी से बात करके फिर समीर जी की परमिशन
पब्लिक में रिलीज करेंगे या प्राइवेट व्यूइंग के लिए रख, जैसे भी आप लोग का मन हो, लेकिन समीर जी को एक रिकॉर्डिंग
जरूर
अच्छा लगेगा।
थैंक यू फॉर सेइंग दिस, दैट आल्सो गिव मी एन एश्योरेंस कि समीर जी का हमारे ऊपर हाथ है।
हाँ,
ये टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया का ऑफिशियल नहीं है, लेकिन इंदु जी मेरे लिए माँ जैसी समझ लीजिए, जो भी समझ रहे हैं। तो मैं उनका प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी अपॉइंट करा था, समीर जी ने उनको, मेरे को उनका, तो मैं उनके साथ काफी रहा था। तो आप तो जानती हैं अमला जी।
हाँ बिल्कुल, बहुत ही क्लोज आप लोगों का इंटरेक्शन रहता था और आप उनको हर चीज में सपोर्ट करते थे, फैसिलिटेट करते थे
और डांट भी खाता
आप
था।
उनकी स्ट्रेंथ थे, यूँ कहना चाहिए कि आप ही उनकी स्ट्रेंथ थे।
अच्छा, हमारे भाई के सप्रू जी आए हैं, वो चेयरमैन। नमस्कार। हाथ उठा के करेंगे तो लोग पहचान जाएंगे। हाथ उठा के। भाई के सप्रू जी कैंसर पेशेंट एड एसोसिएशन के चेयरमैन हैं और इंदु जी के बहुत करीब थे। इंदु जी तो इतनी चीजों में इन्वॉल्व थी। अतुल जी भी आ गए हैं, अतुल रुइया जी। नमस्कार अतुल जी, थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग। और इधर हमारी अनुपमा नायर हैं, ये हमारी हमने एक वृंदावन प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च करा है विमेंस मूवमेंट के अंडर, उसकी जनरल मैनेजर कम्युनिकेशन है। अनुपमा, आपको अपने को अनम्यूट करके नमस्ते कर दो, सबों को पहचान जाएंगे। और प्रेमा आप भी ना अनम्यूट कर दो। प्रेमा अय्यर को तो सब पहचानेंगे। प्रेमा, तुम्हारे बाल बहुत बिखरे हुए हैं, पार्टी करो। प्रेमा बिल्कुल सीधी सादी गाय जैसी है प्रेमा, लेकिन इंदु जी इसको इतना प्यार करती थी प्रेमा को। ये घर पे रही है इंदु जी के कमल महल में कई बार।
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल, बहुत बार।
सबों को नमस्ते कर दो प्रेमा बोल के।
Amla Gigi, hello, how are you, Amla Gigi?
How are you? How are you?
Good to see you. Hi, Atul.
कुछ लोगों को मैं नहीं पहचानता, मेरी तरफ से माफी मांगता हूँ, क्योंकि मीरा बहन की फॉलोइंग इतनी बड़ी है कि उन सबों को पहचानना बड़ा मुश्किल है। मीरा बहन हमारी ब्रह्म कुमारी की डायरेक्टर हैं, सेंटा क्रूज और आसपास के सब सेंटर्स की। मीरा बहन, आपको तो सब पहचानते होंगे, लेकिन फिर भी एक बार नमस्कार करेंगी तो सब
क्या
शोभा पहले आई हैं, हमारी जनरल मैनेजर है टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया की, अभी भी हैं। शोभा जी नमस्कार। ये सब इंदु जी के भक्त हैं, इसलिए आए हैं। ये अपनी टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया के कारण ही आए हैं। और हमारी विमेंस मूवमेंट की फॉर्मर चेयरमैन शकुन नारायण जी आई हैं अभी। शकुन जी आ जाइए।
नमस्कार। हेलो शकुन।
शकुन जी आके चली गई क्या?
नमस्ते।
आ गई है।
शकुन जी कहाँ हो, जरा नमस्ते करो ना। शकुन जी जरा अनम्यूट करके नमस्ते करिए ना सबों से। हाँ शकुन जी यहाँ है, अनम्यूट करिए ना। शकुन जी अनम्यूट करिए प्लीज। शकुन जी अनम्यूट करो। ओके, उन्हें सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है। सुदर्शना द्विवेदी जी धर्मयुग की एडिटर आ गई हैं। और मालती सिंह जी हमारे साथ जुड़ी हुई हैं वृंदावन प्रोजेक्ट में, और ये बीजेपी में काफी कार्यकर्ता हैं, मंत्री हैं। मालती सिंह जी नमस्ते करिए, अनम्यूट करिए पहले। सब लोग एक बार के लिए अनम्यूट कर दें, फिर हम स्टार्ट करेंगे।
नमस्कार।
शकुन जी आप अभी बात कर सकती हैं सबों से।
Spent so much good time with Taiji. Remember with Maheshwari.
Good morning. Good morning, Malti ji.
Claudia.
Good morning. Very good morning.
शकुन जी आप बोलिए। शकुन जी विमेंस मूवमेंट की।
शकुन जी, wow. Nice to see you.
No, it's what can I say? I mean, I just heard about, I mean, these are memories that one cannot really forget. It was the start of something so wonderful, which is still continuing in its own way and at its own pace. So all I can say is thank you for coming into my life to Induma.
मीरा बहन आज की मीटिंग की चेयर कर रही हैं, और मीरा बहन आपकी परमिशन हो तो स्टार्ट कर दें फॉर्मल थोड़ा सा।
हाँ जी, हमारे साथ माउंट आबू से करुणा भाई भी है।
अच्छा, कहाँ हैं?
करुणा भाई भी है हमारे साथ।
करुणा भाई कहाँ हैं?
Don't even know what is happening on the other side. The other people can't see. You can only see the
विनीता जी अभी अभी 4-5 को छोड़ के सबों को अनम्यूट कर दीजिए। एक बार करुणा बहन को अनम्यूट करके उनसे कुछ सुनना चाहेंगे आप?
करुणा भाई अभी है नहीं है,
अभी नहीं है, तो आप सुधीर जी को, रुया जी को, मेरे को और अपने आप को और मीरा बहन को अनम्यूट रखेंगी।
पहले सब म्यूट ऑल होगा, फिर मैं सब दूसरे 2-3 उनको मैं अनम्यूट
तो अभी हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं क्योंकि टाइम हो गया, टाइम से 40-45 मिनट चलेगा। तो अभी एक बार के लिए माफी चाहता हूँ, लेकिन एक बार हम म्यूट करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि मीरा बहन स्टार्ट करेंगी एक प्रेयर से। सबसे हमारी मीटिंग की चेयर कर रही हैं मीरा बहन, ब्रह्म कुमारी की डायरेक्टर। आरती सबूर जी आ गई हैं, हमारी विमेंस मूवमेंट की करंट चेयरमैन, यंग डायनामिक चेयरमैन। फॉर्मर चेयरमैन शकुन जी थी, अभी आरती ने चेयरमैनशिप ले लिया है। मैं एक सेवक हूँ, मैनेजिंग ट्रस्टी हूँ विमेंस मूवमेंट का। ये सब इंदू जी ने बनाया था, मैं बाद में आपको बताऊंगा। पहले मीरा जी से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं हम। तो मीरा जी आप प्लीज आप स्टार्ट करिए।
म्यूट ऑल कर रही हूँ एंड फिर अनम्यूट करूंगी।
यस, थैंक यू।
किस
ओम शांति। इस भूमि पर कोटि कोटि लोग आते हैं और जाते हैं, पर कोई ऐसे होते हैं दिव्य कर्म करने वाले जो अपना नाम अमर करके जाते हैं। जीवन मिलना नसीब की बात है, देह त्याग करना समय की बात है, पर देह त्याग के बाद लोगों के दिल में बसना ये किए हुए सत्कर्मों की बात है। विश्व विभूति, आदरणीय, प्योर, पावरफुल इंदु जैन जी, उनका नाम, एड्रेस और ड्रेस चेंज हुआ, परंतु हमारे साथ ही है। उत्कृष्ट आपका जीवन रहा, सफलता आपके जीवन में था, साथ साथ तपस्या आपकी सुगंध रही, और समाज सेवा करना वो तो आपके संस्कार ही थे। आध्यात्मिक आपका जीवन रहा, आपने अगरबत्ती की तरह जीवन व्यतीत किया। सदा आप हंसते रहे और हम सभी के दिल में आप बसते रहे। इंदु जी, मुझे याद है कि आप सांता क्रूज राजयोग मेडिटेशन सेंटर पर आप पधारे थे, और जब आपका आगमन हुआ हम सभी बहनें बहुत खुश थे। साथ साथ विचार विमर्श आध्यात्मिक हुआ। आप काफी समय 1 घंटा यहाँ पर थे। आप राजयोग मेडिटेशन रूम में बैठे और आपने मुझे कहा कि मुझे दिव्य अनुभूति की बहुत अच्छी तरह से अनुभूति हुई, और कहा कि यहाँ पर शांति बहुत है। इंदु जी, आप तो माउंट आबू भी कॉन्फ्रेंस में आने वाले थे, पर लास्ट क्षण में ऐसा हुआ, कुछ तबीयत आपकी ऊपर नीचे हुई और आप नहीं आ सके। पर आप सदा हमारे साथ है और आपने अमिट छाप हमारे मन में छोड़ी है, जो कभी भूल नहीं सकते, अविस्मरणीय है। सांता क्रूज सेवा केंद्र की हिस्ट्री में आपका यहाँ आगमन ये सुवर्ण अक्षरों में लिखा जाएगा। अभी हम राजयोग मेडिटेशन करेंगे। हम सभी स्वयं को देह से न्यारा समझेंगे और मन और बुद्धि को भ्रुकुटी की कुटिया में कंसंट्रेट करेंगे। ओम शांति। मैं एक ज्योति बिंदु जगमगाती हुई आत्मा हूं। सत्य हूं, चैतन्य हूं, आनंद स्वरूप हूं। अजर, अमर, अविनाशी हूं। मन, बुद्धि, संस्कार सहित हूं। इस सृष्टि रूपी रंगमंच पर, इस वर्ल्ड ड्रामा स्टेज पर आकर अपना पाठ अभिनय कर रही हूं। मुझे मेरा पाठ बहुत सुंदर रीति से अभिनय करना है। मैं आत्मा राजा हूं। ये कर्म इंद्रियां मेरी प्रजा है। मैं आत्मा मालिक हूं। यह देह मेरा वस्त्र है। मैं देह में विराजमान हूं। सुख स्वरूप हूं, शांत स्वरूप हूं, प्रेम स्वरूप हूं, ज्ञान स्वरूप हूं, पवित्र हूं, शुद्ध हूं, शक्ति हूं, संतुष्ट हूं, प्रसन्न हूं, निश्चिंत हूं, निर्विघ्न हूं। अग्नि, वायु, जल, पृथ्वी, आकाश से भी पार, निर्वाण धाम, शांति धाम, स्वीट साइलेंस होम की मैं रहने वाली हूं। यहाँ परम पिता परमात्मा विराजमान है। शांति के सागर है, परम रक्षक है, सर्व शक्तिमान है, विश्व कल्याणकारी है। परम पिता परमात्मा की मैं ईश्वरीय संतान हूं। I like peace. I love peace. I share peace. I spread peace. I feel peace. I experience peace. Peace is my original nature. Peace is my inherent quality. Vibration of peace are all around me. Waves of peace gently begin to touch me. परमात्मा का वरदान भरा हाथ मेरे मस्तक पर है। मैं परमात्मा की छत्र छाया में हूँ, परमात्मा के सानिध्य में हूँ। हम सभी इंदु जी की आत्मा को परम पिता परमात्मा शांति प्रदान करे, सुख प्रदान करे, आनंद, प्रेम, शक्ति, ज्ञान प्रदान करे। यही वाइब्रेशन स्प्रेड करेंगे। इंदु जी की आत्मा जहां भी हो श्रेष्ठ आत्मा का परमात्मा कल्याण करे। ओम शांति, ओम शांति, ओम शांति।
महेश्वरी जी, करुणा भाई जी भी जुड़े हैं हमारे साथ। हमारे इंटरनेशनल हेडक्वार्टर माउंट आबू से करुणा भाई जी मल्टीमीडिया के चीफ है, अवेकनिंग चैनल और पीस ऑफ माइंड चैनल के डायरेक्टर, और आप सारे ऑनलाइन स्ट्रीमिंग, रेडियो, टीवी के डायरेक्टर आप सभी संभालते हैं। 50 साल से ऊपर से आप सेवाएं दे रहे हैं माउंट आबू हमारे इंटरनेशनल हेडक्वार्टर से। अभी जुड़े हैं हमारे साथ में करुणा भाई जी।
ओम शांति। प्रजापिता ब्रह्मा कुमारी ईश्वरीय विश्वविद्यालय के इंटरनेशनल हेडक्वार्टर से मैं बोल रहा हूँ। मैं इंदु जैन जी को पिछले 30 साल से जानता हूँ। मीरचंदानी जी के साथ यूएनआई में मैं स्पेशल करस्पॉन्डेंट रहा और टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया के साथियों को भी मैं जानता हूँ। कुछ समय मैं टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया का भी करस्पॉन्डेंट रहा। जब से इंदु जैन जी संभाल रहे थे, मुझे ये खुशी थी कि ब्रह्मा कुमारी से एक इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के रूप में सेवा कर रहे हैं। तो ऐसे ही इंदु जैन जी एक बहन के नाते सबसे बड़ा न्यूज़पेपर जो है टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया का ग्रुप को आप संभालते रहे और आप बहुत ही स्पिरिचुअल भी रहे। तो कई बार हम प्रयास करते थे हेडक्वार्टर में आने का, परंतु आपका ऑलवेज हमारे सभी कार्यक्रमों के लिए आशीर्वाद था और मैं सारी संस्था के तरफ से दिल से आपको श्रद्धांजलि समर्पित करता हूँ। ओम शांति। जी।
भाई जी, अपनी जो मीडिया विंग है उसके आप चेयरपर्सन भी हैं और मीडिया के जी जी जी
प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट करेंगे
जी।
मुदित जी हमारे हिंदू जैन के सगे भतीजे हैं और यहाँ पधारे हैं। मुदित जैन जी कुछ कहना चाहेंगे, क्योंकि हिंदू जैन जी के दोनों बेटे, एक तो बाहर हैं समीर जी और एक दिल्ली में थोड़ी तबीयत उनकी अभी अच्छी नहीं थी इसलिए वो नहीं आ सके। तो मुदित जैन जी इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग द फैमिली along with रोया जी, आमला रोया जी। मुदित जी आप स्टार्ट करिए प्लीज, कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? अनम्यूट करिए मुदित जैन जी को। ये क्या कर रहे हैं? मैंने आपको बोला ना चारों को अनम्यूट करके रखिए फुल टाइम।
अपने आप म्यूट किया है उन्होंने। जय जिनेंद्र एंड ओम शांति। Thank you, Meera ji and Ram ji, for organizing this. As we spoke with Samir Bhaiya, called us last night, and he said, what is important is to cherish her memory. And all of us have fantastic memories of being with her. I remember in the 60s and early 70s, when there were family weddings, she and Nandita Jiji, her daughter, used to be the life of the Sangeet functions. They were so good dramatists and actors. In today's modern day Sangeet, we get singers, but that time it used to be a more intimate function where skits on various family members were enacted. And she and Nandita Jiji were outstanding. And it involved so much participation. She had a natural flair for being on, if I may say so, on the stage, and a natural spontaneity and childlike also, not concerned about anything, just totally involved in whatever she was doing. Fast forwarding to the late 90s, after the sad demise of Ashok Tauji, she was unanimously elected the leader of the Digambar Jain Samaj, and she arranged so many meetings with various members of the Jain Samaj. And thereafter, but that was a smaller canvas for her. Then she birthed the Times Foundation with Ramji's help and many other people, which was involved in all issues of public, social, educational, spiritual, all kinds of activities for the benefit of society. Some qualities stood out when we interacted with her, even though she was always a seeker and for searching for, she was a spiritual being, like more than many of us. She was still very grounded in reality. She used to have these meetings very focused. Many times when there are large gatherings, people wander from the main topic, but she would say, no, come back to the topic. Don't talk irrelevant stuff. So she was a very good leader, conducted meetings, and at the same time, then she would prepare notes, and she realized the power of compounding of people. Is one person cannot make changes. So she would say, okay, I know someone, I'll connect you with them, then you take it forward. When you want my help, you ask me, otherwise you go ahead. So she acted like a facilitator, like a true leader, getting people together on platforms in which they were interested in, and then connecting them with others whom she felt she could get them to take it forward. And she maintained a humility. And after the meetings were over, she would personally go and serve people, both at her house and Ramji would know in the Times office also. And on a personal level for me and my wife Malti, she was like a mother figure for us. When we got married in early 2000 or mid 2000, she played a big role in kind of getting us, together, and also taking a personal interest. She introduced us to Isha Yoga, Art of Living, Oneness University, many of these, programs that were held, which me and my wife participated. Then we used to have nice, intimate dinners in a house. Anytime one would, she was always open to ideas. And any ideas which we would talk, she would always have a pen and paper ready, call up someone and say, do this, do that. She was very, very involved in life, I would say. And she had a very dignified, regal bearing, which went beyond her presence was felt. And at the same time, we will treasure her memories. And my wife Malti would like to also say something, and then everyone else will say. Amla Ji, who she was closest to, as Ramji said. Malti, say a few words, and then Amla Ji.
What can I say? Hare Krishna. She was a mother. She meant a lot to me. She gave me a lot of support. She gave me a lot of advice. I would call her and say, this is happening, and she would guide me as a mother would to a daughter. And somehow I had that, my attitude, I treated her like a mother. You know, I'm so privileged to have come in this family. I met, you know, she's like a guru, my mentor, my strength, my love, my everything. So through her, I was blessed to have met Shri Ravi Shankar Ji, Sadhguru Ji, and Deepak Chopra Ji, and a lot of Maha Gurujis and yogis. And I mean, she has come in my life, and I feel I'm blessed. And I remember the way, I mean, I was privileged to have traveled with her to Europe, to London, to Paris, Barcelona, and Florence. And she's childlike. She would enjoy ice cream, and she'd share ice cream with me. And she was so comfortable with me, and likewise. And in the car, she'd put her legs on my thighs or head on my, she's like a baby, you know. So I enjoyed those moments, and I don't think I can ever forget. It's a great loss to me. I think I'm not able to handle this very well.
So sweet, so sweet.
Thank you,
Malti ji, I am fully aware that
always be with me.
I am fully aware of Induji's love for you.
I felt that a part of me has gone. Some connection I had with her, and which I'll never be able to get over. And you know, may God bless her and be.
She will live in you. She will live in you. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Thank you for being there.
She will be there with you always. And आप और रेती जी उनकी daughters की बराबर हैं, और वो मानती थी आपको. और now may I go further with your permission, Mudit ji?
Please,
Thank you, Malti ji. Malti ji is such a great woman. I really admire her. She is nothing but love. She's nothing but love. Her love for Krishna, her love for everything, everybody. She loves and trusts everybody. So much so that I tell her कि थोड़ा मालूम कर लो, फिर बाद में trust करना. Vinita ji, can I request you one thing? I want to see the full screen, everybody, because some people will come and we won't know. So can you put me on the full screen, please? Is it possible? I want to see who else has joined in, because we were expecting some other family members also.
You'll have to go to the gallery view on your screen.
I don't know all that. अच्छा ठीक है, तो अभी ऐसे ही चलते हैं. मुदित जी आप देख लीजिए, अगर कोई फैमिली से और कोई आएंगे तो आप मेरे को ऑन कर दीजिए. मुदित जी को और मेरे को और मीरा बहन को परमानेंटली अनम्यूट पे रहना है, और विनीता जी को परमानेंटली अनम्यूट पे रहना है, सो दैट हम आपस में बता सकें एक दूसरे को कि ये और आए. अब मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा अमला रुइया जी से. अमला रुइया और अतुल रुइया जी बिल्कुल समझिए इंदु जी की. अमला जी तो इंदु जी की इतनी क्लोज थी, इनको इतना प्यार करती थी. मेरे सामने भी कई बार डांटा, लेकिन वापस से अमला जी उनको समझाती थी. अमला जी ने इतना बड़ा काम किया है, इन्होंने 500 विलेजेस को ग्रीन करा है. शी इज कॉल्ड द वाटर वुमन ऑफ इंडिया, एंड ऑफ कोर्स शी इज very closely related to the Jain family. So may I request Amla ji to please come in, and Atul ji.
Namaskar everyone. I'm so touched by this meeting of all lovers of Hindu Mata having come together. This energy that has built up over here, it is like a living flame, which Hindu Ma was. And I cannot even use the word was, because I'm feeling her so strongly, her presence in my heart. And also as though she covers the whole, all of us who have ever come in contact with her. She has cast her umbrella over us in so many ways. And for me, I feel it so strongly because, you know, in every aspect of my life, in every milestone that I have ever crossed, she was my guide and principal, and she was the one who showed me the light. She introduced me, so to speak, and pushed me towards spirituality, which has now become my first love, and I owe it all to her. And, you know, remembering the small incidents which happened, as Malti said, I also had the privilege of being with her in New York during the World Religious Conference. At that time, you know, she used to humor us, and we thought that we'll write the speech. You know, the person who was our host in New Jersey, he and myself, we thought we'll write some words for her to say in the World Religious Conference. So she humored us along, and then came the speech written by the Times of India journalists for her, which she could have used. And we made her learn it up also. And then she did not use any of those words, and she spoke from her heart, and her words went like a bullet in every one present in that audience. You know, she was so innovative, so spontaneous, as Mudit has said, and her childlike, yet her immense, you know, a thrust towards spirituality. I don't know how many of us she has pushed towards the path of spirituality and made our lives worth living, given us the direction which a human life should take. I have no words that can suffice the gratitude that I have in my heart towards her. And everybody has got the same experience. I would not like to take more of your time. I know all of us are feeling her in our hearts. And with these words, I would like to hand over this platform to us.
Thank you, Amrani. Atulji, would you like to say something? You have met her, you are part of the family.
I'm deeply touched by every moment I've had with Indu Nani ji. She had a very, very special love for my mother and for me. I'm sorry, I'm finding it emotional to speak right now. Even in her passing, the very beautiful letter that was published in the Times of India, I shared that with many, many groups. And the response was unprecedented. She was so playful and so loving. I'm sorry, I can't speak more right now.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Now I'll just take a minute or two. Atulji, so sweet of you. But you know, you have got a mother who is like a rock. She is अंदर से एकदम मुलायम, बाहर से एकदम सख्त. मैं तो उनसे बहुत डरता हूँ. So just to lighten the atmosphere, there are 2-3 people I'm scared of. One is Amla ji, one is my wife, and one is my daughter. So, Amla ji is so powerful, and she's done enormous amount of work. And I'm so happy and so proud that we are trying to, and I'm sure she deserves many, many bigger prizes, but we are trying for Padma Award for Amla ji, and I'm sure the government will also consider it and work towards it. Thank you, Amla ji. Thank you, Atul ji. Now, I'll just take a minute or two, as I said, about Indu ji. Apart from being, I retired as a director of Times of India some time back, deputy director actually. And I would say that since the time I was in Indu ji's contact, and she changed my life. I was spiritual by nature, and therefore we clicked quite well. But then she exposed me to so much of the world, so many people. In fact, I would like to take just 1 minute to tell you what she launched in the women's movement for peace and prosperity. After 9/11, she started asking various people, inviting various people, what the hell is happening in the world? When we saw 9/11 live on the TV, said, world is so violent. Why? There are 4 billion, 3.5 at that time, 4 billion women in the world, and the world is still so violent. There's something wrong somewhere. It's not matching, because women by nature are non-violent. And she insisted on that. So she called for 10 months of meeting. Whenever she calls anybody, they used to come, whether it's Mr. Khorakiwala or the police commissioner or the municipal commissioner or Captain Nair or anybody, ministers. Suresh Shetty used to come quite often. And then women started coming. So because she was talking on behalf of women also. So she said, if 4 billion women are there in the world out of 8 billion population, why is compassion missing from the world? There's something wrong. It's not matching. Then after thorough discussions, which she chaired all these meetings, and we came to a conclusion, and she announced that, yes, there are 4 billion women, but many of them, nearly half of them, are suppressed, and their compassion is suppressed. So the compassion is not able to come out. It's suppressed for various reasons: male dominance, economic reason. In some communities, there's more suppression. This is not to say that only Islamic communities there are suppression, but there were more poverty. We are talking on a global scale. She always talked on a global scale. She never talked, her canvas was always the globe, the universe, in fact, beyond the earth. So then she said, we have to do something to de-suppress these women and allow their compassion to come out. And in the process, so many women joined. Shakun Narayan is here, Maya Shani should be here, Zeenat Shaukat Ali should be here. She founded Women's Movement for Peace and Prosperity. Actually, we called it Women's Movement for Peace. And she said, no, Maheshwari, she used to fire the hell out of me, I was not scared of her, but she used to scold me off and on, and then listen to me also. So she said, we will call it Women's Movement for Peace and Prosperity, because without prosperity, peace cannot come. Therefore, give women some vocation. You're talking of, downtrodden women, not the upmarket women which are here on the screen. But she said, allow women's compassion to come out, give them good health, mental health, physical health. Allow that compassion to come out. The world will become more peaceful, more heavenly. And we have seen that. Whichever country is headed by women prime minister and presidents, they have done much better overall. So she was all for, she didn't want women empowerment just for the sake of women empowerment. She said women are already empowered. Women are Shakti. They don't have to be empowered. She said, I am Shakti. I don't need empowerment. I am empowered. Ardhanarishwar. She said, Shivji ke Adhe Shivji Nari hain. So the power of the feminine was what she was stressing. So we founded this movement and we started doing many things under her direction. When I left Times, then she said, now you take care. She made me the managing trustee and handed over the trust to me. So we can't call it a Times of India trust as such, but we are our umbilical cord will always be with the Times of India, with the Jain family, Indu Jain, Samir Jain, Vineet Jain, Reti Jain, Mudit Jain, Malti Jain, and all of them. Amla ji I respect a lot. She's done an enormous amount of work. With these words, I am celebrating Indu Jain today. I am celebrating Indu ji today because she did so much for the world. She did so much for me personally. She made me evolve as a better person. Thank you, Indu Mata. Thank you, Indu ji. And now with these, sorry, I took a little more time than I should have. May I now invite Shakun Narayan is our former chairman of Women's Movement and very close to Indu ji. If Unless Muditji, would you like to suggest somebody else from?
No, Ramji. I think it's fine. Shakunji is good.
Okay. So Shakunji, would you say something about Induji and also how she founded and how you took the flag for so many years along with Maya Shahani?
Shakunji has to on her video.
Shakunji, can you on your video and audio? I don't have the full screen and I don't know how to get the full screen. So my daughter is away. Yeah, illiterate, you know, technically. Can you put the full screen for me?
She is not there.
Gallery? Can you put the gallery for me? And I'll remain at gallery. Vinita ji, keep me on gallery only. I'm okay with that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that I can know who all have come. So Shakun Narayan, have you unmuted yourself, please? Shakunji? I think she is not unmuted as yet. I would have loved
I can't find Shakunji. Her video is also not on.
Shashi, you have been very close to Induji. You have been very close to the Jain family. You are almost, she treated you like a son. So would you like to say something, Shashi Nair? He's our chief PRO of the Times Group.
Namaste ji. Sir, listening?
Namaste Shashi. Bolo.
Namaste ji. Sir, I am seeking blessing from all of you. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Sir, I have been working with the Times of India many years. God has been so kind to allow me to do seva for Induji. So my soul is enlightened and purified. Times of India is concerned is temple for me, and Induji is goddess for me, sir. That's all. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Shashi. Mr. Sapru, I know you would like to say so many things about Induji. May I request you to unmute yourself, and Sapruji, who is a chairman of Cancer Patient Aid Association, and he worked very closely with Induji on many areas. Sapru, sir?
Maheshwari ji, what I want to say is that throughout my life, the biggest mentor who has guided me, and she used to be my guru. And one incident I want to tell you is he came to my workshop on Happily Successful. She said, I'll sit for 15 minutes. Then she said, I'll stay till lunch. Then she stayed till the evening. And she was so impressed. We didn't to got that workshop and times in Sumer's house. And
thank you, Sapru sir. Sapru sir has a slight problem with the voice. So we would like to have your written submission also, Sapru sir. He was the executive director of Johnson & Johnson. He gave up a cushy job and took up the cause of cancer. He has done an enormous amount of work in the cancer prevention. And Amla Ruya and YK Sapru, we all are working towards Padma Awards for both of them. We need your blessings from all of you. And Sapru sir, I'm sorry, but people are not able to hear you. We would like to have your written submission also about Induji. May I now request our current chairman of Women's Movement, Aarti Savur. She joined us much after Induji. Probably she has not even met Induji.
Thank you, Maheshwari ji.
Thank you, Sapru sir. Thank you. Thank you so much. We'll be in touch, sir. We'll be in touch. And may you get the Padma Vibhushan and not only Padma Shri. Thank you, sir. You and Amlaji deserve the best award of the country. Aarti Savur is our current chairman of Women's Movement. She may not have met Induji, but she's taking that flag along with me. Aarti, would you like to?
Sir, actually, yeah, I think I am the, not so lucky one because I could not meet her. But I saw her photograph in Times of India, and that photograph says, I mean, it, when the picture speaks 1,000 words. So it's like you can actually feel her divine aura through that Times of India newspaper itself. So I'm sure you people are so lucky and so blessed that you could, got this chance, opportunity to be with her, to learn from her, and, actually to touch your lives. I mean, she must have touched so many lives, and I am sure she has attended Nirvana, and very rightly, very beautiful word, that Nirvana. I mean, that gave me so much of, hope that yes, even we can look forward for something, that what is your ultimate goal in life. So I think we all need to be working towards Nirvana, the way she attended Nirvana. I think that is something what I learned from, her life's message. So, and I feel very blessed, that I am associated with such a big organization, where all these stalwarts and people from different walks of life, but spiritually so much elevated. So I think this is something, the purpose of life, what we all have to look for. And I'm very blessed and lucky, I feel, that I'm amongst all these stalwarts over here today. Thank you so much, and Om Shanti.
Om Shanti. Aarti is taking the flag of women's movement as the current executive chairman, and we are working together. Those of the women who are listening, and the men also, it's not only it is through the women, it is not for the women. Women will be the catalyst of change in post-corona world. This is Induji's prediction. Long back she had said this. And may I now request Mr. Vikesh Walia, who was a very senior member of the Times group and is still connected with the group he was a board director in the group. Vikesh, please say a few things. You have worked with Induji quite a bit.
Yeah, Ram, thank you so much for sharing this platform and inviting me also to join in paying homage to a great departed soul. I got to know Mataji almost even before my joining Times of India. Actually, she was part of my interviewing panel, which she rarely does. You will be surprised. So I had the screening, 3-tier screening by all 3 family members, Vinitji, Mataji, and Samirji. VC also, VC chairperson and MD. All 3 of them, they had interviewed me, but I was very intrigued by the kind of discussion I had with her. I still recall. She hardly touched upon any of business issues. So I was amazed. She was talking of, life, values, principles in journal. While MD's questions were different to me in the interviewing session, VC had different questions, Pradeep Guhaji had different questions, Bahal Saab had different questions, but Mataji's questions, chairperson's questions were all related to the values of life. And that became my reason actually to join Times of India.
So nice.
When I realized that these are the thoughts, this is the fountainhead for the group. As the chairperson, as mother also to both, that time, of course, 3 children were there. Within few days, we lost Nandita ji. I joined Times of India in 98, 99. So almost the same time, she was also announced to be the chairperson. And that's how I got to know her. And that continued. Even till almost a couple of months back, I would say. Just before COVID, she was keen on promoting social businesses for profit. We have non-profit concept for social businesses, companies, but she was keen on talking to me about the for-profit social organizations.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much, Vikesh.
Yeah.
Sorry to intervene.
This was a futuristic thinking she had And that is where she was working beyond just, giving away money or giving dole or charity. She wanted to create self-sustaining social development organizations. Ram, thank you so much. You did so much for Times Foundation. You have contributed significantly to the growth, and whatever the name and face Times Foundation has today in Mumbai, it is only because
ऐसे कुछ नहीं है. Indu ji was the name and face. Thank you, Vikesh. Vikesh, you reminded me of a great person from the Jain family, Nandita Judge. My God, what a woman, what a woman. Today, I take this opportunity to pay homage to her soul as well. I'm sure she would have received Hindu Mata. Nandita ji was an embodiment of love. I always say that I have worked with two geniuses in my life. One is R.K. Lakshman and one is Samir Jain. To me, they were the ultimate of genius cadre, But Indu ji was a life changer. Nandita ji touched the whole family. So
right.
And now Malti ji is doing that role very well, and Revati ji, of course. So we are so indebted, Vikesh, you and me, for having spent our such nice years in Times of India. May I, on that subject, also thank Karuna Dadaji to be here. He spoke before you came, Vikesh. He is international in charge of Brahma Kumari organization based at the headquarters. And Meeraben today is chairing our meeting. Meeraben ji, Vikesh Walia is a senior member of the Times family, still associated. And on that note, may I request a current General Manager of Times of India, Shobha Pillai, I can see her looking into the screen. Shobha, unmute yourself. Shobha is still there in Times of India marketing. And Shobha, would you like to say a few words on Induji? I'm sure you would have something to say.
I won't take much time, but I would just like to thank Rameshwari ji for inviting me for paying tribute to Induji here. I have met her a couple of times in the office, but I have no words to express my sorrow today. But all what I want to thank is I'm privileged to work in such a big organization under her mentorship, and she has been really a great mentor to me, and I look upon, and I will definitely miss all her teachings, and I'll definitely follow each and every good thing what she has taught us. And I would like to really mention two things which I just I was just going through a lot of tweets and a lot of stuff what was happening yesterday. But there are two events in life. One is birth, one is death. We need to celebrate both. So that's something which I'm going to remember throughout my life. And one thing which I really liked about Induji's article yesterday was that all what she missed in life was unhappiness. So, that is something really touched upon me, Ramji.
Thank you, Shobha.
It is something she celebrated life every day. Whatever she came through, whatever must have come on her platter, but she celebrated every day.
Thank you, Shobha. Sorry to intervene. May I request Mr. MP Sharma? MP Sharma ji,
thank you so much.
MP Sharma ji was dealing with Induji quite a bit. He was the director of Somani School, and he is a highly spiritual soul. शर्मा सर अनम्यूट कर दीजिए, और अगर नमस्ते करेंगे तो सब पहचान जाएंगे आपको. शर्मा सर अनम्यूट करिए. शर्मा सर आपको अनम्यूट करना होगा, पहले अनम्यूट करिए. शर्मा जी आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. शर्मा जी अनम्यूट करिए प्लीज. अच्छा उन्हें, हाँ अभी अनम्यूट हो गए. आप बोलिए शर्मा जी.
Hello.
MP Sharma ji, Somani School and a highly spiritual person. Kahiye sir.
I feel elated with joy to express my thanks and gratitude towards this Madam late, very eminent personality, Madam Indu Jain. I was having privilege to meet her along with Sudhanshu Ji Maharaj. That time I was president of the Vishwa Jagrat Mission. And I feel very sad losing her. She was a gem of the personality in the world of today. And I express my highly gratitude.
Thank you, sir.
And express my feelings, heartfelt condolences to her and her family member. Thank you, sir, to invite me. God bless you.
Thank you, Sharma, sir. We will be in touch, and your guidance will always be there with us in education.
I shall be, sir. I shall be. I shall be ever.
We have Mr. Joe Rodrigues here. Joe, can you unmute yourself? Joe is a top management consultant, and he was one of the founder members of Women's Movement, and he interacted with Induji substantially. Joe, can you show your video also, if you can?
I have.
He looks like Jesus Christ. And your video, please.
Come on. Come on. How do I put the video on?
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you. Actually, all of us have that technical. Yeah, we can hear. Go ahead, Jeff. He looks like Jesus Christ. Everybody can imagine Jesus Christ and imagine Joe.
I had the privilege of meeting Indu Jain on 3 occasions, and it will be an understatement to say that she left a very, very deep impression on me. And listening to all that is being said and shared just now, one could only look back and wish I had more time to spend with her, to absorb from her. But what has been shared today is like some dewdrops of spirituality which is coming from her aura. And I'm very glad to be here in this presence with all of us today. Thank you.
Thank you, Joe. We have Neerja Mattu here. She was the chairman of CSR wing of SP Jain Institute. There are two SP Jain. One is under Bhavans. So she was under that Bhavans SP Jain. There's another SP Jain Institute run by Mr. Nitish Jain, who is also a nephew of Induji. He was to come today, but I think he's based out of Singapore, perhaps. So maybe he could not get the connection. His wife was also. Pepsi Ji was to come, but nevertheless, we all have these connection problems these days, and I'm not the best person to advise on that. So can we have a word from Neerja Mattu, please? Neerja, will you unmute yourself?
Yeah, thank you so much, Mr. Maheshwari, for organizing this, and I'm really honored to be amongst all of you. I just had one occasion when Mr. Maheshwari had kind of given an opportunity to meet Mata Jain, and it was such a meeting that I still relish. The kind of power and the kind of love that she showered in that meeting, I still can't get over that. It was just one meeting, and I really wish that I had more opportunities to meet her. And all I can say is that we have our blessings today with us, and we all should be on the path of her. Just so much that we have been hearing about her, and I wish we had met her more. Thank you so much.
Mr. Deepak Rohra, I think he's muted. Mr. Deepak Rohra, would you like to say something to few words, Mr. Rohra? Yeah.
Rohra is from Brahma Kumaris.
He's from Brahma. I wanted one of your followers also, Miraben, to, even though they may not have met Induji, but I think Induji was such a public figure that everybody, so many people follow her, even though they may not have met. Rohra sir, bolenge?
It's really great to attend such a meeting where I came to know about so much lot of her. She's really instrumental to lot of people. Really, it's a great thing, and I really honor her. Om Shanti.
Thank you, sir. Sir, we have Malti Singh ji. She is an active person in the BJP, and although this is not a political forum, but she is so spiritually inclined, particularly to Lord Krishna. So Malti ji, will you unmute yourself? And you may not have met Induji, but would you like to say a few words, Malti ji? Malti Singh ji, are you there? Okay, I think she's not able to hear. Sadhana Mahashabde, you have worked with the women's movement. Anjali Rana is here. I would like Anjali to speak first, please, Sadhana, if you don't mind. Anjali is the managing director of Harvard Business School based in India. And Anjali worked very closely with the, sorry, Sadhana, I'll just come back to you. Anjali, I was waiting for Anjali to come. Anjali, it's so nice of you to come here, and you were one of the founding
Ram, there was no way.
Please.
There was no way I could miss this. Indu Shahani ji was known to me from my childhood. Her daughter Neetu and I, Indu ji as I used to call her, or Indu Ma as later on I used to call her. She and her daughter Neetu and I were college friends. And so I've known her since I was 14 or 15 years old. And
1 second.
We shared a birthday.
Anjali,
Neetu and I shared a birthday.
Anjali, 1 minute. There's a mix-up. See, Indu Shahani's daughter is Neetu. Induji's daughter is Nandita. Are you talking of Nandita?
Yes, Nandita. Neetu and I were in college together. Nandita Jain and I were in college together, and we shared a birthday. We shared a birthday, so we celebrated all our birthdays together. And I remember one birthday where we had the party in my house, and Induji, in her usual mischievous way, came up the staircase in hiding and came upon us, when we were merrymaking. And it was a surprise to all of us. And she had that mischievous smile that she is so well known for. So from those years when she was the mother of my friend to a person who started the women's movement for peace and prosperity, where I then took part and I understood how deep her faith was. With Neetu, with Nandita and Induji, I did visit many religious places and spiritual pilgrimages and all. But as a child, as a youngster, as an adolescent, I never really understood. It was only after Neetu died. I even used to go to the satsangs, but I never had a perspective. It was only after Neetu passed away that Induji and I became even closer. And then she opened the door for me to understand how individuals can make a difference. The biggest project we worked on together was on Dharavi. And she explained to me that if we just create houses for people, why will they not sell the house and improve their standard of living? She said it is about employment. It is about livelihoods. And unless we look at that and what the people really want, we cannot make a change. That perspective that she added was a true spiritual perspective. The speaking tree, then with Arun Arora, she brought in the music, Times music, so many things she has left behind. But for me, that perspective that human beings need not money for life, but they need a purpose. And then this final letter of hers, where she said that I am looking forward to the end, was just an amazing, amazing understanding of what real nirvana is. So today I have lost somebody who matters a great deal to me, who has been a spiritual mentor, spiritual guide, and a memory of my friend whom I lost much too young. It's difficult for me to believe that she has gone, but I'm glad that the women's movement for peace and prosperity, which she founded, which I was part of, continues in different ways, and that all of us who were part of the founding membership have continued to build in our own way and do different things in her memory. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Anjali is a very senior professional. Becoming managing director of Harvard Business School in India is not a small thing. And I really, from banking to Anjali and her husband, both are bright professionals, and we respect her contribution to women's movement so much. Thank you, Anjali, for coming in. And may I ask Sadhana, Advocate Sadhana Mahashabde, you had some interaction with Induji.
Om Shanti. I believe I'm very lucky that I could meet such an enchanting personality and can always take ahead the blessings and whatever the work and the spirituality that will always guide me, and I will always be associated to work on the line which Induji has showed to us. And thank you so much.
I pay my homage. I'm so sorry. My apologies, because I don't recognize some of your followers, Meeraben, if you would like. But in the meanwhile, I want one person to come in, Claudia Petrick. Claudia worked for nearly 40 years in Times of India. Claudia, are you there? Claudia?
Yes, sir.
Claudia, you worked for nearly 40 years in Times of India?
Yeah, I worked for 36 years, sir.
36 years. So would you like to, you met Induji and all family members so often. So please say something, Claudia. You're so nice.
Yes, sir. It's been a privilege to know Mataji, and I imbibed from her the values of love, of giving, not receiving, but giving everything of yourself so that the world can be a better place. And Induji has been a pillar for the Times of India. More than Mataji, I would like to just speak just one word. I remember Ashokji. It was just one day I had to work with him in the office. And he used to go to the sacred space. And that was my privilege or my joy to be in that place all the time. And that place, I sang a song to Jesus. And it touched Ashokji at that time. And he asked me whether I come there every day. And I said, yes, sir. I love coming here because I can spend a lot of my time talking to my Jesus and living a life differently from the rest. Sure. And he encouraged me to continue the work. And with the help of Sir Ram Maheshwari, today I'm proud to say that the sacred space is doing so beautifully that we have more than 25 to 30 members coming between 1:15 and 1:45, just spending time praying for all our company, for the chairman, for Samir Jain, for Indu Jain, for all the directors of the company, for all the employees, that our company will be a lighthouse.
Thank you so much, Claudia. Thank you. Yes. Just a little word about Sacred Space. You know, Samir Jain and Indu Jain, and of course Vinny, Samir Jain and Indu Jain brought in spirituality to the media space. Spirituality was supposed to be a down market item, you know, till Samir Jain and Indu Jain took the lead. And then it became an upmarket item. Our column, which I was involved in starting under Samir ji, Speaking Tree, our column was the second highest read column after R.K. Lakshman. R.K. Lakshman cartoon was #1. We did a survey. Speaking Tree within a month became second highest, you know, so that is the power of spirituality which Samir Jain and Indu Jain brought to the media space. And, you know, other people started copying. They also started similar columns. So Samir Jain and Indu Jain didn't change only Times of India. They impacted the lives of the whole India and beyond India as well. So media goes everywhere. So we are so indebted to these two, and Vinny continued, and now Revati ji is there, and all of the family members are there. We are so proud of them. I am so proud to have worked in Times of India for nearly 20 years. That was the best period of my life. And the best out of that best was 10 years I worked with Induji. I had my tough moments. I had the firings. She used to scold me like a son, and I used to listen to him. And of course, one never replies to the mother. You know, I used to be angry. I used to come home and tell my wife. But then we realize that she wants goodness for everyone. So that is what Indu Jain was. Can I have the last word from Muditji, please? Muditji, unless Miraben, you want somebody to speak, somebody else to speak, Miraben? K. Kamlesh?
Ramji, let others say. We have said maybe the Brahma Kumaris, anyone else, or they can say a prayer, or I think they can.
Miraben, can somebody say a prayer? You can also say, or somebody in the end, just a prayer. Muditji is asking.
ओम शांति हम 3 बार बोलते हैं लास्ट में. जी. ओम शांति. ओम शांति. ओम शांति.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for coming.
आज बहुत अच्छी श्रद्धांजलि हुई, बहुत अच्छी तरह से हुआ. ये भी एक बहुत सुंदर बात. तहे दिल से सभी ने श्रद्धांजलि दी, हृदय पूर्वक सभी ने श्रद्धांजलि दी, अंतःकरण पूर्वक सभी ने श्रद्धांजलि दी है, जो याद रह जाएगा.
Thank you, Miraben. We are thankful to Brahma Kumaris and Women's Movement for hosting this important meeting. Thank you, everyone.
राम भाई आपको बहुत थैंक्स.
Not at all. It's a pleasure and honor. Thank you, everyone. Om Shanti. Jai Shri Krishna.
Shall we?
Thank you, Vaishali ji. Ramesh making so much effort. Meena ji, thank you. Hari Om. Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
आपको मिलके खुशी हुई.
Keep praying for my Taiji. Keep praying for my Taiji, please. Keep chanting for her. For my mother.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
God bless.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. She'll always be with me. She'll always be with me.
जी. मुझे राम भाई ने सारी बात कही आपकी. मासी बहन, आपका भाव एकदम एक्सप्रेस हो रहा है.
Gave me so much light and
जी.
love.
आपके वाइब्रेशंस भी आ रहे हैं.
Yes, because मैं यहाँ की नहीं हूँ. I'm from Australia, from Fiji Islands. जब मैं आई थी मेरा कोई नहीं था. Taiji was for me. Like guided me through the family and. Thanks to her, I'm in India. Thanks to her, I got married. In this lovely family. He was a Catholic. Thank you.
Thank you.
परमात्मा आपको शक्ति दे.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Take care. Take care.
So we now.